Welcome to today's practice, where we will use the power of affirmations to literally rewire your brain from negative thinking into positive thinking. So let's begin. You can close your eyes or gaze down, or even stand in front of a mirror with your eyes open, looking into your truth. When I say the affirmation, you can repeat it out loud or silently, whatever serves you best. And when I say it, I also want you to feel it, because this is your truth. So here we go. I am safe and supported. I am safe and supported. I am safe and supported. I am loved and I honor it. I am loved and I honor it. I am loved and I honor it. I am in control of my body. I am in control of my body. I am in control of my body. Now receive a nice inhalation and release. And bring a smile to your face as you shift into the feeling of gratitude. Grateful for knowing that these are your truths. Grateful to know that you can remind yourself of them anytime you need it. And grateful to know you can step into your power. Now take one more deep breath in and release. Carry this energy into your day. It's time to step into your power and release what doesn't serve you.